students. Now today we will see our page number 7, question number 7. So see your page number 7. What is the question? Write standard form for each of the following. See what is given here. 3 hundreds plus 0 10 plus 5 ones. That we have to write in the standard form. How we can solve it? See now. First, say what is given here. 300. 3 multiplied by 100 means 300. Okay. Plus 0 10. 0 10 means 0 multiplied by 10. Plus what is given? 5 ones. 5 ones means 5 multiplied by 1. So now do here multiplication. 100 multiplied by 3, 300. Plus 10 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by any number, answer will be 0. So write down here 0. 5 ones are 5. So what is our answer? 300 plus 0 plus 5 means 305. That we have to write here 305. You have to write down these answers in your textbook. Now see B question. 600 means what? 6 multiplied by 100 plus 5 tens. 5 tens means what? 5 multiplied by 10 plus 3 ones. 3 ones means 3 multiplied by 1. 100 multiplied by 6, 600 plus 10 multiplied by 5, 10 5s are 50 plus 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So 600 plus 50 plus 3. We can write here 50 and 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. This 6 as it is. What is our answer? 653. So we have to write down your answer 653. Now see example. 900. So 9 multiplied by 100 plus 5 10. 5 multiplied by 10 plus 4 ones. 4 multiplied by 1. 100 multiplied by 9, 900 plus 10 multiplied by 5, 10 5s are 50 plus 4 multiplied by 1, 4. Okay, 900 plus 50 plus 4. We can write here also addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 as it is. So what is our answer? 954. Okay, now see D. What is given? 800 means 8 multiplied by 100 plus 8 tens. 8 tens means 8 multiplied by 10 plus 8 ones. 8 multiplied by 1. Okay. 100 multiplied by 8, 800 plus 10 multiplied by 8, 10 8s are 80 plus 8 multiplied by 1, 8. 800 plus 80 plus 8. So we can write here also 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. This 8 as it is. So what is our answer? 888. So in this way, this 7th question you have to complete in your textbook. Now see 8th question. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. So we have to observe this pattern and we have to fill in the blanks. Whatever 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fill in the blanks we have to write down. Now see first example A. 601, 606, 611. So 601 plus how much? Equal to 606. So 601 plus 5 equal to 606. Again 606 plus 5, 611. Up to this, that is in your textbook. So now 611 plus 5, how much? 616. Again 616 plus 5, how much? 621. Okay. Now 621 plus 5, 626. Again 626 plus 5, 631. Okay. So this is the pattern of plus 5. Okay. You can write here plus 5 in the bracket in your textbook so that you can easily understand. Now see B question. 240, 245, 250. Again, what is given here? How much? 240 plus how much equal to 245 plus 5. And 245 plus 5 how much? 250. So we have to continue. So 250 plus 5 how much? 255. 255 plus 5 how much? 260. 260 plus 5 how much? 265. 265 plus 5 how much? 270. So you complete this answer. Now see C question. 107, 117, 127. So 107 plus how much equal to 117? 7 plus 10 equal to 70. Or if you don't understand what to do, what you can do? You write down the second number and subtract this first number from that second number. So 7 minus 7, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 10. Means here you write here plus 5 here also. And what you will write here? What is the series or what is the pattern here? Plus 10. Okay, so you can write in the bracket here plus 10. Okay, so 127 plus 10, how much? 137. Again 137 plus 10 equal to 147. Again 147 plus 10 equal to 157. Again 157 plus 10 equal to 167. Okay. Now see D question. What is given here? 280, 270, 260. See, somewhat difference is here. See, here we have to do subtraction, not addition. In this first three example, addition is there. But in this last example, we have to do here subtraction. How much? Now see, 280 minus 270. If you don't understand, you can do this subtraction. 280 minus 270. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the difference between these two numbers? 10. So you can write here minus 10 pattern in the bracket. Now we have to solve this example. 260 minus 10, 250. 250 minus 10, 240. 240 minus 10, 230. 230 minus 10, 220. So in this way, this series was minus 10. Okay. Now see ninth question. What is ninth question? Insert less than or greater than in the circle. Okay. So very simple. Which is the bigger number that we have to find out. So A example 175 and 89. Which is the bigger number here? See, 175. This is 100 number and this is 2-digit number. This is 3-digit number. So we have to give this sign to towards this 175 because this is the bigger number. Now see B question. 476, 484. See, this 4 and this 4 is common. Only we have to see 76, 84. Which number is bigger? 84. So 4 is common. 484 is the bigger number. So we have to give this sign there. Now see example. 885, 375. See which number is bigger here? 885. So we have to do this sign in this circle. Now see B question. What is B question? 666, 665. So among these two numbers, which number is bigger? That is 666. So do this sign here. Then next E example. 982, 989. Again this 9 and this 9 is common. 82 and 89. So among these 82 and 89, 89 is bigger. So we have to do this sign towards this 989, that is the bigger number. Now see F question. 582, 682. So which number is bigger here? 682. So do this sign here. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these questions in your textbook. Now see 10th question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending, means increasing order. So we have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Ascending means what? From smaller to bigger. That is called as ascending. Means smaller number we have to write down first. So these boxes are given here below these numbers. So in that boxes we have to write down the ascending, means which number is very smallest, that number we have to give first number. So among these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number, which number is smaller number? 76. So we have to write down here 1. 76. So bigger than 76 number, which number is there? 219. So we have to write here 2. Okay. Bigger than 219, which number is there? 313. After 200, 300 is there. So we have to write down here 3 number. Then 313. Bigger than 313, which number is there? 438. So we have to write down here 4. Then bigger than 438 number, which number is there? 560. So we have to write down here 5. Then bigger than this 560 number, which number is there? 718. So we have to write here 6 number. So in this way we arranged these numbers in ascending order. Now next question is exactly opposite of this ascending. 11th question. What is that 11th question? Arrange the following numbers in descending, means decreasing order. So we have to now find out this decreasing order. Descending order. Decreasing means what? First we have to find out which is the biggest number. That number we have to give the first ranking. That first number we have to write down to that biggest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Among these 6 numbers, now see which is the biggest number. So 638 and 679. So among these two numbers, which number is bigger number? 679. So we have to write down here 1. Then smaller than 679, which number is there? 638. So write down here 2. Okay. Now the smaller than this 638, which number is there? 519. So you write down here 3. Third number. Then smaller than this 519, which number is here? 375. So we have to write down here 4. So smaller than this 375, which number is there? 219. So you write down here 5. And smaller than this 219, which number is there? 134. So we have to write down here number 6. So in this way properly you write down these numbers in your textbook. Now see 12th question. Write the place value of each digit in the given numbers. So two numbers are given here. We have to write down the place value of each digit. So we have to start from the ones. So 784 is the given number. So place value of this 4 is ones. So 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4. Okay. Now see here 8. The place value of 8. See ones, tens. So tens means what? Multiply by 10. 8 multiplied by 10 is how much? 80. So we have to write down place value of this 8 is 80. Now see 7. Ones, tens, 100. So 7 is at hundreds place. 7 multiplied by 100 equal to 700. So we have to write down here 700. So in this way we have to solve this example. Now see B question. 908. So again see here 8 is at ones place. So whatever number is present in this ones place, we have to write down that number as it is. So we will write this 8 as it is. Because 8 multiplied by 1, how much? 8. Now see here 0. 0 is at tens place. 10 multiplied by 0. I told you earlier also 0 multiplied by any number, answer will be 0. So we have to write down here 0. Okay. Now 9 is at hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. 9 is at hundreds place. So 9 multiplied by 100 equal to how much? 900. So we have to write down here this answer 900. Okay, so carefully you write down these answers in your textbook. Now see 13th question. Ring the greatest number and cross the smallest number. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are given here. See, one number is remaining. 2 numbers are remaining. Yes. Now see, ring the greatest number. So among these numbers, which number is the greatest number? That number we have to do circle. And what is given? Cross the smallest number. So among these numbers, which number is smallest number? 139. So just do one cross there. Okay, very simple. Now see 14th question. Ring the hundreds digit in the following numbers. So 485. Ones, tens, 100. So what is the question? We have to ring. Ring means circle. We have to circle this 100 number. So in this number 4 is the digit that is at the hundreds place. So we have to do here circle. Now see B question 786. So ones, tens, 100. So 7 is at hundreds place. So we have to do here circle. Now see third question 985. Ones, tens, 100. So 9 is at the 100 place. So we have to do here circle. So write down all these answers correctly in your textbook. Now see 15th question. Ring the numbers with 5 in the tens place. So what is given in the question? We have to find out that 5 number is in the tens place. 485. Ones, tens. In this tens place 5 number is there? No. 587. Ones, tens. Pi number is there? No. 358. Ones, tens. See here. 5 in the tens place. So we have to circle, ring this number 358 because 5 is in the tens place. 654. Ones, tens. See again. Ones, tens. So in the tens place 5 number is there. So we have to circle this number. Now see 157. Ones, tens. So in this tens place 5 number is there. So we have to circle this 157 number. 953. Ones, tens. So in the tens place 5 number is there. So we have to circle this number. 556. Ones, tens. So in the tens place 5 number is there. So we have to circle this number. Now 983. Ones, tens. So in the tens place 8 number is there. So no need to circle here. Okay. So in this way we have to circle these numbers. Okay. Now see 16th question. Ring the numbers with 7 in the hundreds place. So numbers are given. So in the hundreds place 7 number we want, or 7 digit we want. So see now 784. So ones, tens, 100. In the hundreds place 7 we want. So 7 is here. So we have to circle this 784. Now see 877. What we want? We want 7 in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. No. So don't circle this number. 697. Ones, tens, 100. In the hundreds place 7 number is there? No. Ones, tens, 100. 378. Ones, tens, 100. So in the hundreds place 7 number is there? No. 576. Ones, tens, 100. In the hundreds place 7 is there? No. Now see here 739. Ones, tens, 100. In the hundreds place 7 number is there? So circle this number. Okay. Now see next number 709. Ones, tens, 100. So in the hundreds place 7 number is there. So that's why we have to circle this number. 217. Ones, tens, 100. In the hundreds place 7 is not there. So don't do circle to this number. Okay. So in this way we have to ring these numbers. Next question is what? Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. Very simple. Before this number and after this number. So 107. 107 before that number, which number is there? 106. And after 107, which number is there? 108. Okay. Now here 312. Before this 312, which number is there? 311. And after this 312, which number is there? 313. So 485. Before this 485, which number is there? 484. And after this 485, which number is there? 486. 989. Before 989 is 988. And after this 989 is 990. So in this way you have to write down this before number and after number. Now see, big question is what? Between. See, this number, this side is given. Between, we have to find out this between number, and then this number is also given. So 104. After 104, which number is there? 105. And then 106. Then 319. After this 319, which number is there? 320. Then 321. Then 532. after this 532, which number is there? 533. And after 533, which number is there? 534. Then 639. After this 639, 640. And after this 640, 641. So in this way, you write down these answers in your textbook. Now see 18th question. Fill in the blanks. August is the dash month of the year. August is dash month of the year. So starting with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So 8th month of the year. So we have to write down here spelling of 8. Okay. So now see, December is the dash month of the year. So we have to write down here December is the 12th month of the year. 12th month of the year. Now see, November is the dash month of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. November is the 11th month of the year. So you write down here spelling of 11th. Okay. Then the question is what? January is the dash month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Okay. Now see, February is the dash month of the year. February is the second month of the year. So in this way, we have to write down the answer. Now see, 19th question. Write T for true and F for false. So what is given here? 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 8 ones equal to 348. 300 plus 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. 340 plus 8 ones. So 300s, 4 tens, 8 ones equal to 348 is the correct answer. So we have to write down here capital T. That is the true statement. Okay. Now see B question. 503 equal to 500 plus 90 plus 3. So 503 is given and the expanded form is wrong here. 503, but here 90 is given. So this statement is wrong. So we have to write here false. F for false. Okay. Now see third question. See 683. 683 equal to 683. It is the correct answer. So we have to write down here T. Now see D question. The place value of 8 in 875 is 80. See, 8 is at which position? Ones, tens, 100. 8 digit is at hundreds place. And what is given here? The place value of 8 in 875 is 80. No. Place value of 8 in this 875 is 800. So this statement is wrong. So we have to write here F. Okay. So now see last question. The face value of 6 in 689 is 6. So this statement, the face value of 6. Face value means that number is itself. Okay, see, the face value of 6 in 689 is 6. So this statement is correct. So we have to write here T. So in this way, very simple, you have to just write down the answer in your textbook. Now see 20th question. Tick the correct answer from the given choices. Options are given here. You have to just pick the correct answer. 20th question. Which numeral shows the number 680? Four options are given: 608, 685, 680, 860. What is the question? Which number shows number 680? So among these four numbers, 680 C. So we have to tick mark on this C option. Do there this tick mark correct sign on the 680 C option. Okay, now see 21st question. Which of the following is true? So first question is 709 less than A 195, B 680 greater than 699, C 515 greater than 615, 384 less than 484. So among these four options, which option is correct? Now see which number is bigger here. 709, 195. So but this sign is wrong here because this 195 is the smaller number. Then 680, 699. So among these two numbers, which number is bigger? 699. So this sign should be of this side. So this is also wrong. Then C option is what? 515 greater than 615. But among these two numbers, which number is greater? 615. So this is also wrong answer. Okay. Now see D option. 384, 484. Among these two numbers, which number is greater here? 484. So D option is correct. This statement is correct. So we have to do this right sign on this D option. Okay, because 484 is the bigger number and sign is towards this 484. Okay, now 22nd question. Which number has 7 in hundreds place? Hundreds place, we have to find out this 7 number or digit. So ones, tens, 100. 7 number is not there. Ones, tens, 100. 7 number is not there. Ones, tens, 100. Yes. So 785. 7 is at hundreds place. So we have to add 907. Ones, tens, 100. So only this one number C 785 we have to, this answer is correct. So we have to do here right sign. Okay. Now see 23rd question. Which number has 2 in tens place? So ones, tens. In the tens place, which number we want? 2. No. Here 1 is present. Ones, tens. Yes. Ones, tens, 100. So in the tens place 2 number is there. So we have to tick mark on this B option. Then 278. Ones, tens. In the tens place 2 is there? No. 712. Ones, tens. In the tens place 2 is there? No. So only one answer is correct. So properly correct tick mark these answers. Now see 24th question, which is not correct. So in these 4 options, which option is not correct, that we have to find out and we have to do here tick mark. Okay, so not correct means that is wrong. So first we will see 700 plus 300 plus 4 is greater than 605. Now see 700 plus 300 plus 4. 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 3, 10. 1004. So 1004 is greater than 605. So this A option is correct. Now see B option. 739 less than 435. See, 739 is bigger than 435. So this sign should be towards this 739. That means this option is not correct. So we have to do here tick mark. So we will see the next option. 600 plus 20 plus 5. 600 plus 20, 620 plus 5, 625. This is correct option. Now see D option. 130 plus 5 is greater than 100 plus 7. 130 plus 5, how much? 135. And 100 plus 7 equal to how much? 107. So 135 is greater than 107. That means A, C, D. These options are correct and B option is wrong. So we have to do the right mark on this B option. Okay. Now see 25th question. Ishita wrote the number 583 in 4 ways. See A, B, C, D. Which way is not correct? Here also, which is the wrong option that we have to find out. 583. So 583, if we write this 583 in its number name, so we will write like this 583. This is the correct option. Now see B option. 5 hundreds, 80 tens, 3 ones. See 500. Okay, this is right. But 80 tens. 80 tens means how much? 80 multiplied by 10. 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 8, 0. Compulsory 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 8. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. This 8. 800. But our number is 583. So 80 tens means 800 and 3 ones. That means this second option is wrong option. So we have to do here tick mark on this B option. Now see C option. 500 plus 80 plus 3. In the expanded form, we will write this 583 number in this way only. That means this C option is correct option. Now see B option. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 80 plus 3. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means is 500 plus 80 plus 3. So we can write in another way, in this way also. 5 times 100 plus 80 plus 3. If we do addition of these all, what is our answer? 583. That means this option is also correct option. So you write tick mark on this B option. So write down in all these answers in your textbook.